Hey loves, welcome back. Whenever I'm in my bathroom, you know that we're about to do a hair video. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful crochet leave out hair with human hair. So this is the hair that we're going to be using, and this is from QVR hair. They sent me 7 packs, which is a lot, but they also included this beautiful brown highlights blonde. So I think we're going to be using this to create something fun. We have different lengths. Okay, so they did send me 222 inches, 220 inches, 220 inches, 218 inches, but then with a mix of this beautiful highlight shade right here. And lastly, 116 inches. Now the goal that I have, or the vision that I have, I want to create like a middle part with leave out, so that way I can pack my hair up in the ponytail. I can leave my hair out, leave it down, center part, maybe even take it to the side as well. I want to create a little bit of flexibility when it comes to this crochet hair. So that's what we're going to be doing. And I also want layers. I feel like it will look so good with layers. So the first things first, before we get into the bundles, let me just quickly create my braid pattern. And this is my hair length. Let's do a middle part, because I feel like middle part just looks so good on me. Okay, I think this is decent enough. I'm going to let me just take out my leave out. So something I'm gonna do is to kind of put this behind the hair to see if it's still a bit see-through. And obviously it is not at this point. So you guys cannot see the tail comb, right? So that's what we want. We want to be able to kind of mask that. So this is going to be the leave out for this side. So I have one side done. Let me get the other side. Same thing. Just make sure that it covers. I am done with my braid pattern. This is what I have going on. I just divided my hair into 2, did one going, the back one I braided it going down, and then the top one I braided it going all the way back. I just need to figure out a way to kind of hide these pieces. I'm thinking I would use the crochet, the hair, to kind of like lock it all in here, and then lock this part all in here, so that way everything is clean. So yeah, let's start crocheting. This is the fun part. So for the back, I'm going to start off with the 22 inches. That way we can get it longer, and then kind of progress to like 20, 18, and then 16. So that way we get that beautiful layered effect. So let me open up the pack. With the pack, this is what you get right here. And let's quickly open this up. I love that the crochet itself is pre-looped and secure. That way you're not going to get any fallout, and it's just easy to install. You get a cleaner, flatter look with this thread going on. In each pack we get about 1, 2, 14, 15, 16, 1, 32, 37. I hope I counted it right, but you get about 37 pieces of hair, basically strands that has been pre-looped, and each comes like this, so it's gonna be easy to kind of install. I love this threaded look, that way it's gonna lay flat on your head. So in terms of my braid pattern, I made sure this area right here, the one just beside the leave out, I made the braids really tiny, so that way it kind of looks flat and less bulky. So yeah, this is what I have going on, and we're gonna start crocheting. And let me show you guys exactly how we are going to do it. It also came with a crochet needle as well, so you have everything that you're gonna need for this install. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to kind of crochet, or should I say tighten or hide this my hair sticking out, right? So I'll show you guys a more detailed version on how to crochet right here in the front part, but at the back I just want to get through it. So I'm using 22 inches, and this is how long 22 inches is. This is how long it's gonna be. It's a wavy hair, it's a bit curly, so you will not get the full length as is. So let me just stretch it out a little bit so you can see where this is like my abdomen region right here. I'm gonna start crocheting, and I want to see how full one bundle is. Guys, the back is usually the hardest part because you can hardly see what you're doing, which is why having this kind of mirror just makes a whole lot of sense. Okay, so this is exactly one bundle, and one bundle was enough to do the back. This is what it looks like. I love how thin the loops are. Like, it's so thin. I'm gonna move over to the front right here, and before I start, I want to just grab a couple of the crochet hair and use that to tighten this area, right? I want to hide these two flyaway hair, these two braids right here, and tuck it in. I have kind of tucked in and tied in the loose weaves that we saw, so they are secure, and now we are ready to start crocheting the front. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm doing that. But what I want to do is I actually want to open up the 22 inches. I want to use 22 inches here, and then do 20 inches, do 18 inches, and then do 16 inches. So I'm going to show you exactly how I crochet my hair. So what you want to do is to push the needle through your cornrow or your hair, and then you want to put in that crochet hair, close the latch, and then pull it out. Do the same thing again. Open that needle, put the hair through, close the latch, and then pull the hair through the threaded or looped hair, and now you have a knot. So I have done one row. Look at how clean and how flat this crochet is. I just wanted to show you guys up close like how seamless it is. It's less bumpy, it lays flat, and it's honestly easier to install because you have no flyaways. So we're going to repeat the same process over and over again. The first couple of trials will be difficult, but then when you go halfway, it's like you're unstoppable. You just keep looping, and it's easier as you go and as you practice. So yeah, this is the hey loves, so I have done 3 bundles right now. I have 3 bundles on my head, and I have 4 packs to go. So on my head I have 2 22s and 1 20. So I'm gonna just fill up the back right here just so it doesn't look crazy. I already started filling it up on this side. I'm going to fill it up around here, and then when we're done, we're going to start like filling up the front as well. I'm going to go in with another 20 inches. Now I have exactly 4 bundles in. This is how full it is. I'm going to quickly show you the back because I really wanted to kind of make hair full, so that way we don't have like any see-through area, and I think we have done that. We kind of took it a bit forward as well. So now this is all we have to cover. You can see how fast I am right now compared to the beginning. Now like 10 seconds I've looped one. This is real time, by the way. I'm not going to fast forward this. I just want you guys to see like how fast this process is for me now, because I have been practicing for the past couple of hours. Let me add 3 more to this side. And yeah, before I forget, this is what 5 packs of this hair looks like. Look like sew-ins. Tell me this doesn't look like sew-ins. Look at how neat and flat this is. So we're gonna do the last row right now. I'm gonna take my time to do this last row because I want it to be very clean and also very full, so that way it covers up all the tracks and any mistakes we might have made. So let's just take our time to do this. This is the finishing. This is gonna be our closure for the crochet. Now for the center part, like I said, I wanted this to be very clean and very seamless, and I also wanted it to kind of cover the previous rows that we had created. We wanted to give off like an illusion of a closure and a full look as well. So I'm doing this. I'm also taking my time to making sure that the hair that I'm using as my closure covers the previous rows, so that way it lays flat and it looks flat, right? Your closure is definitely where you want to spend most of your time, being very intentional, right? You want to spend more time making sure that this middle part or the side part, whatever you're using as your closing part, looks the cleanest, because it's what's going to mask what's underneath. So I'm taking my time to do this, and I'm ensuring that it looks very close together, right? I'm not seeing spacing, and yeah, it's just, I love how it's looking right now. I'll show you guys what it looks like. The cool thing about this is I think this will be perfect for like boho braids or even braids in general. So if you have braids on and you want that boho effect without having to feed in, all you have to do is just crochet this through your braids, and it will take you minutes to get the boho look on your braids. So yeah, definitely a must have. I'm seeing myself even having like cornrows and like having pieces of this, because you can just tie this. It's so easy to just hang this on like your weaves or your braids or whatever it is. So I find this to be very multifunctional, and you can style this in multiple ways. And it's breezy as well, so you can like see your scalp. I can even do like a side part. Like you can style this in multiple ways. So what I think I want to do next, I'm gonna grab the blonde, because we're basically done. Now we're just gonna start styling. I'm gonna grab the blonde and maybe grab like 10 pieces and see what this looks like, right? So just one or two pieces on each side. Let me show you guys what I'm doing right here. I'm just gonna grab that. Well, I'm curious to see what this is going to look like. Okay, it's not looking bad. Let me put another one. So I'm gonna put 2 on each side, right? And do the same thing on the other side as well. like so. So this is what we get. This is what it looks like right now. Okay, let me add more on the side. So just in case I want to do like a side part, I'm gonna add 2 more on this side right here. And again, if I don't like this, because it's crochet, I can easily just like remove, oh yeah, and tighten it. Let me do the same thing on this side. Put them in here, like so, and we're done. So whichever way I decide to style my hair, we're gonna have this beautiful pop coming through. Yeah, I think I like the amount of highlights we use. We didn't use too much, we just used enough. I'm just going to unravel the leave out that we did and then see what we can do with the style. Loosen the back of my hair so we can pack it up if we want to, like so, right? Or take it everything all back or to the side if we want to. I think I want to curl this hair. This right here is the finished look. Again, this hair is from QVR hair and it's their crochet hair. I'll leave all the links right here so you guys can see, as well as in the description box. So in case you are interested, definitely feel free to check them out. I can easily flip over to the side. Yeah, with this you can't even see the tracks, you can't see the crochet. I mean, it is there, but because of the knot, it is almost invincible. You have to really come in close, and even if you do come in close, like, it is so seamless. When I was doing my cornrow, I divided my hair into 2. I don't know if you guys can remember. Because I did that, now I can almost have like a clean division. So we can do like a half up, half down situation. I don't know if you guys can see this. I mean, this. Again, I can pack everything in a pony. Can put on a hairband like so, right? So let me show you guys how to take down the braids. When it comes to taking down the crochet braids, do not try to remove them individually. What you want to do is to just loosen your cornrow, guys. It is that easy. Just loosen your cornrow like you would do with your normal cornrow or your normal braids, and as you're loosening it, the crochet hair literally just falls off. If you have a bit of resistance, just gently pull that through and you're done. You're good to go. Yeah, in case you guys enjoyed this tutorial, this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and yeah, if you are interested, I'll leave all the links in the description box as well as right here so you guys can check them out as well. And because these are human hair and because of the way the crochet hair has been, you know, made, you can easily uninstall and reuse them, right? You can use them several times, as much as you want. You just have to take proper care of it. I will leave all the links in the description box and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.